Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best massage guns of 2023? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best massage guns are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Hyperice Hypervolt Go-To, the best massage gun for travel. The Hyperice Hypervolt Go-To is an inexpensive, portable massager with a lot of punch. It costs about the same as the Theragun Mini, but in contrast to the Mini, it includes 2 additional attachments, a battery life of 180 minutes as opposed to the Mini's 150, and a maximum speed of 3,200 pulses per minute. It also has a more conventional massage pistol style that you can hold in various positions to use effectively on fatigued, tight muscles. It's portable and saw-approved to fit in your carry-on, but it doesn't come with a travel case, which is a bit disappointing, particularly considering other products like the Theragun Mini Do. Although the weight and battery life of this pistol wowed us, there are several drawbacks, like the lack of Bluetooth connection, which prevents you from syncing it with your app. For novices in particular, the software itself isn't very useful. At number 2. Sportneer Deep Tissue Muscle Massager. Best massage gun for beginners. The Sportneer Deep Tissue Massage was chosen for our list because to its affordable pricing, variety of attachments, carrying case, degree of quietness, and all-around high value. It is simple to transport this gadget outside the house since it is equally lightweight as certain portable models. A popular tool for easing muscular soreness among athletes is the Sportneer Deep Tissue Muscular Percussion Massager. It includes an 11mm squared stroke amplitude, 6 massage heads, and 5 speed settings. The 11mm squared stroke amplitude of this cannon limits its power compared to other massage guns on the list, which is one downside. Not that the Sportneer Elite D9 is ineffective, far from it. In fact, it could be a better choice for novices or those who require a massage gun that delivers a little less intensity due to severe discomfort. At number 3. Theragun Pro Gen 5. Best massage gun for athletes. Theragun Pro Gen 5 may be best suited for serious athletes since it offers premium features that the typical person may not need. However, the newest Theragun Pro is among the greatest massagers you can purchase thanks to improved on-screen instructions, an extra micro-point attachment, and 20% less sound. The price is the only thing to be concerned about, even if we can't ignore it. Another excellent Theragun percussion tool for piercing those aching muscle tissues has strength, mobility, and a long battery life. It has a total of 6 attachments, giving you alternatives for the recovery you need. In fact, the high-end Theragun model can be a wise purchase for you if you take your rehabilitation seriously. At number 4. Mighty Bliss Deep Tissue Back and Body Massager. The Mighty Bliss cordless massager is more like a massage wand than a massage gun, and this distinction has certain benefits. Targeting areas like your lower, mid, and upper back that are difficult to reach with conventional massage guns is made simple by the long, compact handle. It's also a terrific alternative for elderly people or anyone with mobility issues for whom using a regular massage gun could be difficult. However, the Mighty Bliss cordless massager falls short as a massager for everyday usage. The percussive massage provided by the Mighty Bliss isn't all that powerful after all because to its small amplitude and very low stall-force threshold. It's unlikely that the gun could have any genuine therapeutic effects on bigger muscular tissues like the quadriceps, glutes, or even the calves, even if the feeling could be pleasant. The Mighty Bliss's user manual states that you may use it continuously for up to 4 hours until the battery runs out. During testing, we received around 2 hours, or about half of that. It took a good 60 minutes to recharge, and unlike other massagers, we could continue use the pistol while it was charging. At number 5. Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Pro. The best Bluetooth-enabled Hyperice. The Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Pro is a high-quality massager that is best suited for experienced users and athletes. The Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Pro is a wonderful option for almost anybody wanting to purchase a high-end massage pistol due to its simple but sturdy design. The Pro is geared at a more experienced user nonetheless, due to a few important aspects. With a battery life of 3 hours, the HyperVault 2 Pro outlasts both the Theragun Elite and the Theragun Mini by 60 and 30 minutes, respectively. I once used a single charge to get the Pro through a full week of testing with plenty of battery life remaining. Accomplished athletes may be guided by the Hyperice app through thorough programming for a competitive advantage. The tightest trigger points and muscle groups are efficiently released by a variety of textured attachments and a quick 2700 ppm. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.